What are strings? A string is traditionally a sequence of character, as simple as this, guys, either as a literal constant or some kind of variable. Strings in Python either surrounded by single quotation mark or double quotation mark. As you can see, suppose if a equals to hi, then b equals to hello, but with double quotation mark. So when we try to print the both, print a, print b, when you run the program, yes, you can see hi and hello. This one and the same. The next concept would be multi-line string. You can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotation mark. As simple as it. Suppose if movie or series equals to hi, hello, Big Bang Theory. As you can see, this is a three-line string assigned to a variable called series. So if I try printing it, yes, yeah, you can see here, hi, hello, Big Bang Theory. Now let us go through some inbuilt function such as slicing. Slicing returns a range of characters by using the slicing syntax. Specify the start index and the end index separated by colon to return a part of the string. You can see that here. Suppose if b equals to Leonardo, then if you want to get characters, just print b of some 2 to 5, something, anything like that. When you just run it, yeah, see, ONA. Remember guys, the index start from 0 in Python. Next is negative indexing. Use negative indexing to start slicing from end of the string. For example, print b of -1. It would return the last character. Yes, as you can see, O, it has returned O. Even if you want the string length of string, you can just type like -5 to. If I execute this, see, NAR, as simple as it. The next function would be string length. To get the length of string, use length function. Suppose if you want to find the length of the string, just print b dot len function. When I execute this, sorry, my bad, it's not a len. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.